Hey guys, welcome to the new video of web development course. In this video we will learn some basic HTML tags which are very important because they are used in every single website. So without wasting any single time, let's dive into VS Code. First I open a folder where I store my code file, and in the last video I told you how you can open a code file in VS Code just like this, and if you don't know about that, you can check the link to that video in the description box. So this is the folder name. Click here, type cmd, press enter and write code space and dot and press enter. Our file is open in VS Code. So yeah, just make it bigger. First I will tell you about heading tag. But before that, I will tell you what is a comment. A comment in a programming language is that thing which is don't read by compiler. Like when we define a comment in our code and when we run that particular code, that comment will be ignored by the compiler, and that comment does not put any effect on your code. So this is the definition of comment. How we can implement in programming language? The best way is press Ctrl and backward slash, where you can find it just below in the question mark, and press Ctrl and backslash. There you go, you make a comment, and I can write here like this is a comment. Yep, save it and go to that file, desktop, and this is my folder. I have to run that. So yes, I just make it here and this here. Yeah, it's perfect here. So see, in the code I write this is a comment, and in the web browser there is nothing show. Even if I reload, no effect. And if I remove that comment, press Ctrl and backward slash again here, you remove the comment, and Ctrl save, and here in the Chrome refresh the page. This is a comment. See, and now I want to make that ignorable, like I want to make that a comment. So just highlight that content or text and press Ctrl plus slash. Yeah, this is a comment. Okay. And now heading tag. What is a heading tag? I believe that everybody read newspaper once in their life. So like even in the first page you see there is something bold in text at the top of the newspaper. That is known as heading. That approach is similar in the HTML language. But we cannot write simply like here, like heading. No, there is a specific tag for that. And what is tag for that? H1. H1 means heading 1. So heading 1 does not mean that it is first heading on our web page. No. It means this is heading having a font size 1. Font size, I know everybody knows font size is the size of the text. Okay. So in that heading tag, H1 tag or heading tag, we will write this is HEADING heading tag. Okay, or smarty. Heading tag 1. I save this, go into the browser, refresh this. This is heading tag 1. Again, H1 means heading tag, the 1 means font size. Okay, so there is no one heading tag, there is more 5 heading tags, just the difference is the number. Don't worry, I am here for you. I just, oops, sorry, I have to teach you slow. I know you are a beginner. Just remove 1 and type here 2. Control save, also Control save and then refresh. this is heading tag 2. See, just the font size decrease, everything is same, and there is 4 more tags. So I just copy, paste, paste, paste and paste, and from here remove 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 heading tags in the HTML language, and that's it. I save that file, yes, and reload. One more thing I forgot, I have to change here also. 4, 5, 6. I save 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is heading tag. Heading tag. Okay. So now is the turn of next tag. It's paragraph tag, and it means simple that paragraph tag is used to make the text or group of text into a paragraph. For example, in the newspaper you see there is a heading, and down below there is a bunch of lines there, and they are in like a specific width or height. That structure is known as paragraph, and in a similar way the p tag or the paragraph tag works same in the HTML language. How we can use that? I just make a comment, paragraph tag. Yeah, it's just simple p tag, that's it. Like open greater than symbol, p, smaller than, and then our content, like content here, and then closing paragraph tag. Save the file, refresh this, content. I know that you are thinking that this tag is similar to this one, and this tag also similar to this one, even we does not define any tag here, but there is a difference. To prove that, I just want to clear these, okay, and go to some new website, Lauren Spin Generator. What is that? It just provide a fake paragraph. I just copy that, close that website, and in the content I just paste that. Now there is a time for the tip. You can see when I paste the paragraph how my VS Code shifted toward right side. I don't want to scroll every time, I just want to focus in the center. So how we can tell VS Code, hey listen, I want to focus only in the center. I don't want to scroll left or right. I just only want to scroll top to bottom. So how we can do that? Place cursor anywhere in the VS Code and use Alt plus Z or Alt plus Z. Boom. Now we not be able to scroll right or left, just top and bottom, and see how our paragraph shifted nicely in the center. Now we just save, and if I refresh this, you can see how that our content is structured in a very good way, which is paragraph way. So this is a paragraph tag, and that's it about the paragraph. There is nothing more detail about paragraph tag in the HTML documentation on their official website. Next tag is EM tag. What do you mean by EM tag? EM tag means that if we close a text, a word, a line, a paragraph, anything around EM tags, it will force the text to adapt a italic shape. What do you mean by italic shape? Just give me 1 minute. Italic, like this is simply a text. This is simply a text, and save this, refresh this, boom, in the italic way. So I can also make the whole paragraph into italic way, but that will make our video long, and I don't want that. Italic. Just make it simple. The next tag is strong. Strong means it make our text bold or paragraph, anything you wrap around strong tag, it will make that content bold, or in EM tag it will make content italic form. Okay, so for example, just like this is a strong tag example, like bold, and now it does not wrap into strong tag. Just to demonstrate that how it works, I refresh the page and you can see this is a strong tag example. Nothing changed, it's same exactly as the paragraph content or the upper one where it listed, where it says hello Satinder Singh. How we can change that? Just wrap into strong tag. Strong tag, I just wrap it, I save it, I refresh this, boom. This is a strong tag example, means it made the content bold. And now there is a turn of another tag, and that is actually a good one. You can say that, like you can see that here in the VS Code, I define it here like this is a simply text, and in the next line I define this is a strong tag example, but in the Chrome it is displaying the same line. Why? Because our code, our HTML code, ignore the spaces, and if you want to put a space inside it, we want to put a specific tag for that, and the tag name is the next tag is BR. BR means break line. It's known as break line. I don't know why, what the R stand for. It's usually as break line. Just put BR here and save that, refresh that. That content is now into the next line. And if we want to put another space here, like for example, if I press here a lot of enters, like this is a lot of space, I save that, I refresh that, there is nothing change in the Chrome. But if I want to give that specific space here, I just want to give BR tags here, like BR tags, BR tags, BR tags, BR tags, BR tags, breakline tags. And if I refresh, see, like it works just like a enter. The BR tags work like a enter tag. Now it's the turn of another tag, and which is known as strike tag or del tag. Why or? This is not a new concept. In the programming world, the technologies change year by year or decade by decade. So some tags will not like the tags which are existed right now here. It is not like guaranteed that same tag will be existed in the future, but they can work also in the future, but those tags will known as deprecated tags because they are replaced by some new tag. And same is happened with the strike tag. In the past, the strike tag is used. Now del tag is used instead of strike tag. What strike tag or del tag do particularly in the coding world, I can just show you right now. You can just give me 1 minute. I write $500, $500, and I put BR tag here just to break line. I save this, I refresh this, and there you go. It says $500. I want to put some more space here. oops, I want to put more space here and refresh the page. See, refresh the page, okay. And now imagine that this is the price of a product. There is something listed here, and that price is $500, and there is special discount like 50% discount, and the price is now $250, and the price is now $250. But if the user came here, they cannot be like understand, oh, what do you mean? It's $500 and $250. So to demonstrate that thing, like the original price is $500, but because of 50% discount, now the price is $250. To demonstrate that, in the code we have a strike tag. Strike, you can see in the code editor, when I type strike, it converts into dark red color because it is deprecated. But I can show you what it can do. I save that and refresh the page. See how he just make a line in the center, and now you have a clear idea that the price is $250 of that particular product. And I told you that strike tag is deprecated, so instead of strike tag we can use del tag here, DEL. DEL, save and refresh. Same thing, but del tag is using nowadays, okay? Strike tag is deprecated. And so this is del tag. Yeah, del tag. And now it's the turn of one new tag, and it's known as sub tag. I just want to make a comment of that, sub tag. And people in the environment. And I just want to close that into paragraph tag to give them some specific space. Yep. And I know that you see some weird thing, like this is not the chemical form of carbon dioxide. That too should be down to O. How we can make that? To make that, the sub tag is helpful for that thing. Just enclose 2 into sub tag and save that, refresh that, boom. For these kinds of things, the sub tag is very useful. Now is the time of one last new tag, and this is known as sub tag, SUP. Just give me an example. Apply. I save that and refresh here. Terms and condition applies. This can be workable, but this is not at the correct shape. You can see the star and the T are aligned to each other, which is not the best case when you are determining these conditions on the web page. To do that things, you can enclose that star into sub tag. Put star here and delete that one. Save and refresh. Boom. It is listed at the top and the left side, little bit to the down, but it is at the top. Like in the end of the day, it's still at the top. And these are the tags in the HTML which are used like by every developer in every web page. And I hope that you understand this concept. If you didn't, then you can message me on Instagram, or you can just comment down below, and I will happy to serve you. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and like my video and share with your coding friends. Okay, and thank you so much guys, and give me support and love. Take care and see you in next video.